Good morning, children. Today, let us see the mean method of inserting a rational number. So, what is the formula? It's half of A plus B. So, before that, you should know what are rational numbers. A rational number is a number that can be expressed in the form of P upon Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. Example, minus 5 minus 6 upon 7. Suppose if you are asked to insert a rational number between these two rational numbers, let us see how to insert by mean method now. Now let us see how to find a rational number between two rational numbers. The formula is A plus B upon 2, or you can also take this half outside and write it as half of A plus B. This method you call it as mean method because mean means average. We are adding both the rational numbers and dividing it by 2. So you call this method as mean method. Example 1. Find three rational numbers between 2 and 3. So draw a number line like this. Write 2 over here and 3 on the other side. Now in between 2 and 3, I am going to teach you how to find three rational numbers using this mean method. So first let us take A to be 2 and B to be 3 and find the first number between 2 and 3. So let us take A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 3. So what is my formula? Formula is half of A plus B. So which is equal to half of, what is A? In place of A write 2 plus B is 3. So my first number will be 2 plus 3 is 5. So first number will be 5 upon 2. So go and write it in the number line as the first number as 5 upon 2. Now I am going to take, for finding the second number, I am going to take A as 2 and B as 5 upon 2. So now A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 5 upon 2. So my formula is half of A plus B. So let me replace the value of A and B. Half of what is A? A is 2, B is 5 upon 2. This 2 can be written as 2 upon 1. This is equal to half of 2 2s are 4 plus 5 upon 2. This is equal to 9 upon 2 into 2 is 4. So my second number lies between 2 and 5 by 2, which is equal to 9 upon 4. Now let me find the third number between 5 by 2 and 3 by taking A as 5 by 2 and B as 3. So now A is equal to 5 by 2 and B is equal to 3. What is my formula? Half of A plus B. So this is equal to half of, what is A? A is 5 by 2 and what is B? B is 3. Now take the LCM and find the calculation. Half of LCM is 2, 5 plus 6, which is equal to 11 upon 4. So my third number is 11 upon 4, which lies between 5 by 2 and 3. So in this way I have found three rational numbers between 2 and 3. So this method you call it as mean method because we are adding two numbers and dividing it by 2. Now moving on to the second example, find three rational numbers between 3 upon 8 and 5 upon 12. As I told earlier, draw the number line like this and mark A as 3 upon 8 and here B as 5 upon 12. So we will be using the mean method. What is the formula? Half of A plus B. So let us find the first number between 3 upon 8 and 5 upon 12. So for finding the first number, I am going to take A as 3 upon 8 and B as 5 upon 12. So my formula is half of A plus B. So this is equal to half of what is A? 3 upon 8 and B is 5 upon 12. Now you take the LCM of 8 and 12. So this will be equal to half into LCM of 8 and 12 will be 24. So 3 3s are 9 plus 2 5s are 10. This is equal to half of 19 upon 24. So this is equal to 19 2s are 19 into 1 is 19 upon 24 into 2 is 48. So my first number between 3 upon 8 and 5 upon 12 will be, you can mark it over here as 19 upon 48. Now I have to find two more numbers because we are asked to find three rational numbers. So now let me take A as 3 by 8 and B as 19 upon 48. So for finding the second number, you can write A is equal to 3 upon 8 and B is equal to 19 upon 48. Again write the formula, half of A plus B, which is equal to half of what is A? 3 upon 8 and B is 19 upon 48. So my LCM will be 8 and 48 will be 48, and here 48 divided by 8 is 6. 6 3s are 18 plus here 48 divided by 48 is 1. 1 into 19 will be 19. So my answer will be 18 plus 19 will be 37. And in the denominator you have 48 into 2 is 96. So my number is 37 upon 96. You can go and mark it over in between 3 upon 8 and 19 upon 48 as 37 upon 96. Now for finding the third number, I am going to take A as 19 upon 48 and B as 5 upon 12. So let me take A as 19 upon 48 and B as 5 upon 12. Again write the formula, half of A plus B. So this is equal to half into what is my A? 19 upon 48 plus B is 5 upon 12. Again take the LCM. LCM is 48. So this is 19 plus 12 4s are 48. So I can multiply this 5 by 4, which is equal to 20. So my answer will be 39 upon 96. So my third number here will be 39 upon 96. So in this way I can find any rational number between given two rational numbers. So which is clearly states that there are infinitely many rational numbers between two given rational numbers. So my first rational number we have found is 37 upon 96. Second, you can see this 19 upon 48 can be written as 38 upon 96. And the third one is 39 upon 96. So these are the three rational numbers we have found between 3 upon 8 and 5 upon 12. Since this formula is cannot be used for n number of rational numbers, for finding the n number of rational numbers, we will go for some more different method to find the rational number between any two rational numbers. This method you call it as mean method because we are adding these two numbers and dividing it by 2.